I know what you're doing, I see it all too clear. I only taste the saline when I kiss away your tears. You really had me going, I was wishing on a star. The black holes that surround you are heavier by far. I believed in your confusion, you were so completely torn. It must have been that yesterday was the day that I was born. There's not much to examine, there is nothing left to hide. You really can't be serious if you have to ask me why. I say goodbye, 'cause I am barely breathing and I can't find the air. Don't know who I'm kidding, imagining you care. And I could stand here waiting, a fool for another day. But I don't suppose it's worth the price, it's worth the price that I would pay. Everyone keeps asking, what's it all about? I used to be so certain, and I can't figure out, what is this attraction? I only feel the pain, there's nothing left to reason, and only you to blame. Or will it ever change? 'Cause I am barely breathing, and I can't find the air. Don't know who I'm kidding, imagining you care. I could stand here waiting, a fool for another day. And I don't suppose it's worth the price, it's worth the price that I would pay. But I'm thinking it over anyway. I'm thinking it over anyway. Come to find, I may never know your changing mind. Is it friend or foe? I rise above, I sink below. With every time you come and go, please don't come and go. 'Cause I am barely breathing, I can't find the air. Don't know who I'm kidding, imagining you care. And I could stand here waiting, a fool for another day. And I don't suppose it's worth the price, it's worth the price that I would pay. But I'm thinking it over anyway. I'm thinking it over anyway. Oh, I know what you're doing, I see it all